Hey, it's me.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a fill-in on these nails. They're not that outgrown, but I'm ready to change the design because it's like not Christmas anymore and I don't want to look at these anymore. So I'm gonna start off by removing the gel polish first, and I'm using my e-file for this, and I'm gonna be using this nail bit. I'm not sure what the name for this bit is, but that works really well to remove the gel polish. Alright, once all the gel polish is removed, I'm gonna remove any lifting that I might have. Since I just did this nail set like a week ago, I don't have as much lifting, but I'm gonna go in with the same nail bit again and go around my cuticles, remove a little bit more excess just to see if I have any lifting underneath. I'm doing this really gentle. Alright, anything that's like white is lifting, and I have to remove that. Okay, once you removed all the liftings, let's work on the cuticle prep, and I'm just gonna push back my cuticles really lightly, and then I'm gonna go in with my e-file again, and I'm gonna be using this flame bit, kind of like just lift the cuticle a little bit, remove the dead skin around it. Then I'm going in with my cuticle nippers and cut off the dead skin. Like I said, I don't like have too much to do because this nail set is not that old. Right, and for the last step, I'm gonna go in with my tiny sanding band and just remove the shine from my natural nail and kind of like any excess that I have, kind of like smooth just out the nail a little bit. And with my hand file, I'm just gonna crispen up the shape a little bit again. Alright, once everything is shaped and filed, I'm gonna get some alcohol and remove any dust that I have. My thumbnail turned out a little bit short because I messed up the C-curve and I had to go shorter, but that's okay. Alright, the next step would be to apply a dehydrator and a primer, but I'm skipping that step because I want these nails not to last too long. And yeah, so I'm now applying some base coat. You don't have to apply it to the whole nail, just to your natural nail, but I like to apply it to the whole nail. Okay, and now I will be curing this in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Make sure to remove the sticky layer after your nails have been cured. Since I'm doing a fill-in, I'm gonna be using the same polygel as I had on before, just to match the nail. Since I didn't have that much lifting, I only need like polygel towards the cuticle area. If you had like lifting up here, I would recommend putting polygel everywhere. But yeah, I'm just filling in the spots that I filed off basically. I didn't file anything in the front, so my apex, my structure in the front is pretty good still, so I won't be needing any. I will push this to the front though, just to make it smooth. I do have a little bit too much polygel right here, so I'm just gonna drag it towards the middle. Okay, that's pretty good, and I will be curing this now. Alright, and now I'm just gonna be doing this to the rest of the nails. Alright, polygel is laid. Now let's start reshaping the nails. Alright, nails have been shaped, filed, and buffed. And guys, I apologize about the background noise. It's New Year's Eve while I'm filming this, and they're shooting a lot of fireworks. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, this is the nail inspo that I will be using today. I thought that was really cute, so let's get started. I'm gonna paint my finger red, and I will be using this red from Mia's Secret. Alright, and I will be curing. Right, next is gonna be the French tip. Alright, I actually ended up doing 3 layers of the red for the French tip. And now I'm just gonna get this sponge to do an ombre. And yes, I got the sponge, so I'm gonna be attempting the Aurora nail that is supposed to go on the pointer finger. That's gonna be my first time, so I really hope it's gonna work out since I don't have an airbrush. But like, if you saw my video where I could not get it to work, so I hope this will work and I can figure out how to get that effect. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with some rhinestone glue. Okay, I like this, and I will be curing. I'm just gonna put like the sticker on here. Alright, I'm gonna try to do the Aurora effect. I think what you're supposed to do is put the color on that you have underneath. I mean, kinda. Obviously, this is the best as I can do it. If you have tips, let me know. I'm gonna be putting on some rhinestone glue now and go over with some top coat. Alright, now I'm gonna be doing the heart. Now I'm gonna go in with this gold liner and just outline the heart. Okay, now I'm gonna go over with some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here the finished nails. Even though that nail didn't turn out as good as I would like it to be, I think this nail set turned out so cute. I love the design. This, I messed up a little bit. I don't know what happened. I haven't done a ombre in a really long time. I should have probably put a base underneath because all the ombre that I tried to blend went into like the little scratches. But you know what? I'm not mad at all. I think this is my favorite nail. It turned out so cute. This is the thumbnail. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.